2025 American Eagle Coach. The 2025 American Eagle Coach is a symbol of modern luxury, combining state-of-the-art technology with premium design for a high-end travel experience. Built on a durable Freightliner chassis, this motorhome offers a smooth, reliable ride, ideal for long journeys. Inside, the spacious layout features contemporary styling with high-end finishes, including quartz countertops, custom wood cabinetry, and plush leather seating. Multiple slide-outs expand the living space, creating a home-like environment on the road. Advanced smart home technology allows seamless control of lighting, climate, and entertainment systems through touchscreens or mobile devices. Entertainment options include 4K TVs, surround sound, and satellite connectivity for staying connected or enjoying media on the go. The kitchen is designed for gourmet cooking, equipped with a residential refrigerator, induction cooktop, and ample counter space. The master suite provides a relaxing retreat with a king-size bed, custom wardrobes, and a luxurious en-suite bathroom featuring a full-size shower. Powered by a robust diesel engine, the American Eagle delivers impressive performance and towing capacity, with advanced suspension systems ensuring a smooth drive. The Prevost Featherlite is a luxury motorhome known for its high-quality craftsmanship, spacious interior, and advanced features. It's often used as a base for custom-built motorhomes, allowing owners to personalize their living space to their exact specifications. When combined with a trailer, the Prevost Featherlite can offer even more flexibility and versatility. The Prevost Featherlite offers a luxurious and spacious interior, with ample living and sleeping areas, a fully equipped kitchen, and a private bathroom. The Prevost Featherlite can be customized to meet your specific needs and preferences, with options for interior design, technology, and accessories. The vehicle is built using high-quality materials and finishes, ensuring durability and comfort. The Prevost Featherlite is equipped with advanced technology, including a state-of-the-art entertainment system, navigation, and safety features. The trailer can be used to transport additional gear, equipment, or even a smaller vehicle. This combination allows for extended trips and off-grid adventures. The CMC Caravan E20 motorhome is a luxurious and spacious motorhome crafted by the Italian company CMC Caravan. Known for their high-quality craftsmanship and attention to detail, CMC has created the E20 to offer a premium travel experience. The E20 boasts a sleek and sophisticated exterior, combined with a luxurious interior that exudes comfort and style. The motorhome offers ample living space, including a comfortable lounge area, fully equipped kitchen, and a private bedroom. CMC uses premium materials and finishes throughout the E20, ensuring a durable and aesthetically pleasing vehicle. The E20 is equipped with modern amenities such as a large flat-screen TV, air conditioning, and a state-of-the-art sound system. CMC offers various customization options to tailor the E20 to your specific needs and preferences. The STX eila Edition motorhome is a luxury vehicle that redefines the standards of motorhome travel with its exceptional design, advanced technology, and unparalleled comfort. Created by the renowned Belgian company STX, which is known for producing high-end motorhomes. The STX eila Edition motorhome is a luxurious and sophisticated vehicle, setting a new benchmark for high-end travel. Crafted by the renowned Belgian company STX, this motorhome combines sleek design, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort. Built on a durable, high-performance chassis, the eila Edition delivers a smooth and stable ride, whether you're on long journeys or challenging terrains. The exterior boasts aerodynamic lines and premium materials, enhancing both its visual appeal and fuel efficiency. The Starliner SL25 is a luxury motorhome designed to provide a comfortable and spacious travel experience. It's equipped with a range of high-end features and amenities, making it perfect for those who want to enjoy the great outdoors in style. The Starliner SL25 offers a spacious and comfortable interior, with plenty of room for sleeping, dining, and relaxing. The motorhome is equipped with a range of luxury amenities, including a queen-size bed, a fully equipped kitchen, a spacious bathroom, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. The Starliner SL25 is built using high-quality materials and finishes, ensuring a durable and luxurious vehicle. The motorhome can be customized to suit your individual needs and preferences, with options available for interior design, technology, and accessories. The Starliner SL25 is equipped with solar panels and a battery bank, allowing you to enjoy off-grid camping and travel. The ShowHauler with Garage Volvo Super Motorhome is a luxurious and spacious motorhome designed for those who love to travel with their prized vehicles. It features a garage compartment that can accommodate a small car or motorcycle, allowing you to bring your favorite vehicle along for your adventures. The ShowHauler has a large garage compartment that can accommodate a small car or motorcycle. The interior is designed to provide a comfortable and luxurious living space, with features like a queen-size bed, a fully equipped kitchen, and a spacious bathroom. The ShowHauler is built using high-quality materials and finishes, ensuring a durable and stylish vehicle. The ShowHauler is equipped with advanced technology, including a state-of-the-art entertainment system, navigation, and safety features. The ShowHauler is often equipped with solar panels and a battery bank, allowing you to enjoy off-grid camping and travel. The Laramie Stock Combo Motorhome is a unique blend of functionality and comfort, designed specifically for those who need to combine luxurious living quarters with the practicality of transporting livestock. The living area is designed for comfort after a long day, featuring plush seating, a fully equipped kitchen, and a cozy bedroom. The interior includes high-quality finishes such as hardwood cabinetry, leather upholstery, and spacious living areas. A full bathroom with a shower, sink, and toilet provides the comforts of home, while smart storage solutions make the most of the available space. This motorhome is ideal for equestrians, ranchers, and travelers who want to seamlessly integrate their work with travel. The Laramie Stock Combo is built with a split layout that combines comfortable living quarters in the front with a fully functional livestock transport area in the rear. The stock compartment is equipped with durable, easy-to-clean materials and ventilation systems to ensure the safe and comfortable transport of animals like horses or cattle.